Okay, here we go. Let's do the presentation of the week 6, the DQ questions. Overall, we're going to talk about optimizing mid-size automobile pricing for record profits. Let's dive into details. So there are two key concepts we're going to use to generate like our answers. The first one is the price elasticity of demand. Um, like which measures like how quantity demanded of a good responds to a change in its price. So usually like a PED of like minus 1.5 indicates that for every 1% increase in price, the quantity demanded decreases by 1.5%. And also the profit maximizing pricing formula, which is also defined in the management economy book by Michael Bayer, says like it will achieved when marginal revenue equals marginal cost. So let's dive into more details about the formula. So first off, for the formula is um, the profit maximizing price can be calculated using the formula, which is the optimal price equals to marginal cost divided by this rate 1 plus 1 divided by E, and where the variables, in this case, the additional cost of producing one more unit is $12,000 for each mid-size automobile. So obviously we see the E, which is the price elasticity of demand, is minus 1.5. So this is like how we indicate the sensitivity of demand to the price changes. And this is the just the calculation like process. First we just mentioned that we have to plug in all the values to make the equation becomes optimal price equals to 12,000 divided by 1 plus 1 divided by minus 1.5. And if we make it like a denominator, so in fi like finally we can get the value of optimal price is $12,000 divided by kind of like one third. So we have like a approximately 60 sorry, $36,000. So this is the final answer. The kind of like make it rational, or the reason behind it is three things. First of all, like we ensure the pricing accounts for the sensitivity of demand, and maximizing the volume while covering the cost. So when the PED is minus 1.5, the demand is elastic, which we can get a conclusion. A price reduction would increase sales volume significantly. But in this case, the calculated price balance profitability and demand responsiveness. So here are the three key elements we can think about, and this is the logic behind the calculation and the economic like factors. Um, so if we talk about the no-haggle pricing strategy, here are 3 points I want to mention. Also, after we did today's like two chapter reading, like 11 and 12 and two videos, figure out that the first one, most importantly, is the simplifies buying. So the no-haggle pricing simplifies the buying process for customers, making it more transparent and straightforward. And secondly, we figure out like builds trust is very important. By offering a fair and transparent price upfront builds trust with customers, fostering long-term relationships. And also like this very competitive market. So I mean some profit like price like 36,000 aligns with this policy and avoids customers who value simplicity and fairness. And in conclusion, so the dealership definitely benefits from there's like 20% discount off the MSRP, which is the suggestion retail price from the manufacturer. So providing a cost advantage. So the overall, if we set like the pricing at 36,000, leverage this advantage while maintaining profitability and reinforcing the whole market leadership. Here are two references to wrap it up. If we we've already like view and dive into seven pricing strategy from like comparative pricing, value-based pricing, and to psychological pricing. So the video like we already have like a lot of like takeaways and apply to the calculation to the hot logic, and also like we read like two chapters from the textbook. Thank you.